Good morning. I just wanted to make a quick video of what you needed to do today. So today is day 14. It is your SAT, PSAT practice day. We have 3 things on this page. The first thing is just the objective, so just that you're taking the test. That's your goal for today. The second thing is a little bit of instructions. This is where you found this video. Today you'll be completing the test to review. Again, I know some of you are not taking the PSA test or the SAT next week, but it's still fun to practice, or still good to practice. This video walks you through it so you know exactly what to take a screenshot of and what test to take at the end. And then down here, this is going to be the actual link to the assignment. So this is where you'll click to get to the practice test, and over here is where you're going to submit your pictures to prove that you took the practice test. So if you click on this link, it takes you to this website, which is a bunch of free practice tests for math. So if you could take whichever one you want. However, the one that I would love for you guys to take today is test number 13, because it's only 20 questions, so it's the smallest of all the tests. And again, it's about an average time of our class period. So you're going to come over to the side, you're going to click begin, and you're going to get just multiple choice questions. Read through the question, select the best answer, it'll take you to the next question, and so on and so on. You only have 20 questions. Once you get to the end, so I just did one really quickly. Once you get to the end, you'll get to a screen that looks like this. There are 2 screenshots I would love for you. I need you to take. The first screenshot is just this first top part. It shows me which questions you got right, which ones you got wrong. It also tells me how long you spent. So if you just go through and click like I did, it took me 1 minute to finish the 20 question test. I can clearly see like that you didn't spend time on it, so you won't get, credit. It'll show me all of this, so I want a picture of that. The second thing I would love a picture of is the second category with the algebra skills, because this tells me the exact questions or types of questions that people are struggling with the most, so that way maybe we can practice those on Monday before you guys have to take your PSAT on Tuesday. So those are the 2 screenshots that you need to take and submit in order to get a grade for this assignment. And again, you would take those screenshots after taking this practice test and submit them on this page. And that is it.